load the old configuration and we're starting off with Menace. Because we played it last time and we had the WHD load where the second button would quit the game. This is a thing that we're no longer using, right? I'm done with this. I am done. So here you can see the typical when the Amiga boots. It looks like this. I'm ready to start, yes you bet. When the Amiga boots on an OG config as we have here, it will look like this, a bit at least. So how has your Saturday been? Vermeers, I was lucky enough. Oh, first of all, important Menace, rookie or expert. And we are, of course, going for rookie first because there are 2 runs to do. We're gonna start with rookie. In Sea of Karna. And all of a sudden, tinnitus mode. Music gets weird. I got Turtles. It was on the Game Pass, so I have it now. And there we are. Music is good again because they launched us from the ship. Got a bit early, did all my stuff, worked my front to make it pretty. Nice. So give us more speed. There we go. I wonder what type of item you want for this wave in particular to make it work. Oh, let's take another set of lasers because now we got the stronger lasers. There. Oh no. I forgot this one. Ah, it was so well. Are you continuing on with the speedrun token? Nice, you're really going for it. Ah, yeah, we can use 2 of them. Give me back the lasers. There we go. See how handy lasers are. Yeah, we take a second one, of course. Because even this wave now... Oh, it's theoretically totally doable. Messed that one up. Wow, with this game we can take it somewhat chill because it's not easy on the hands, mind that. They are somewhat auto tracking. Important to mention, I guess. You know what? We can take the force shield. Not a bad item per se. Okay, we're closing in on the boss. Oh, we got force shield again. I thought we were gonna be faster. So the window where you can damage him is when you get clear sight on him. There we go. So, Ramirez, when are you going to start your first speedruns anyway? I'm just genuinely interested. Okay, Sea of Karnov has been taken care of, so Vanguard Warzone will be our next. You can tackle these in any order you want, but I don't see any profit doing them in any other order than the one they already are offering you up, right? Let's see. Maybe I want the cannons as well. I just ride out the full run first. Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, it's the rockets in this level. think soonish there will be another set of rockets, if I'm not mistaken. We want those bonus points. I have these. They're coming again. They won't stay like this. Or will they? Yeah, these are like based from the past level. They're a bit of auto tracking, so you can get most of them in still. Let's see if we like cannons more for the upcoming phases. Cannons are kind of nice. So rockets, there we go. Now we had the appropriate spawn. Well, okay, those won't get any better anymore from that point forward. Maybe lasers then again. Wow. Can refresh that right away. Get a little shield restock. Wasn't that important right now, but it's still a nice thing to do, right? Oh, that was a bit too much for laser. And shields will play shields. So let's get some new lasers in here. There. We take the bonus points. The music is banging. We can run 15 minutes already. Nice. That's good progress, then. Okay, I think boss is approaching. So picking up lasers was the right choice, probably. Yeah, boss. Go. Everything's happening at the same time. But that's how Menace gotta be. Because now we go into the Carnage Rift. 2 down, 4 to go. That's quite the run we're gonna have there, but it's the rookie run for Menace. I wanted to have that one down before we go into Expert. They're all bottom spawns? That's okay. Maybe a cannon for sure. What happens if it... Okay, you can have both at the same time. That's some firepower there. Gotta put the cannon count up before we go for the others. Now we can get some lasers in. Oh, we let one pass. What happens? There we go. Bonus. Should be fine. Can look for a bit. Continue and talk. Sure. Go ahead, then. Oh, it's the heart in this case, yeah. Okay, so 3 down, 3 to go. Tropics of Maze. Before we hit the ruins of Kruger. Oh, let's tune the music down. And once you shoot, it's back up. Just removes the envelope effect. Neat design if you ask me. Can this thing not be destroyed? Am I just wasting my ammo? Oh, you have to be very precise, I see. Ah, they want to speed up. I wanted shields because we are really low. We need a cannon to do. Ah! Wow! Shield energy depleted. Your ship was destroyed. You've proven no match for the defenses of Draconia. Okay, that was our first run. And we have proven no match. So score 135k, 320. Nice. Way too many cannons and lasers. Nice. Is there a scoreboard in this game where it's 135k, 320 our score for now? No, because we are not in the scoreboard yet with the score we provided. Okay, we're not pressing fire to restart the level. That was our Menace run. Fine as it is. Music is banging. Nice.